Hi class, I hope you're having a good day and you had a great first day of school yesterday. So today what I want you guys to be doing is activating your OneNote notebook. So I'm going to walk you through it right now. You'll go into your English 2 class, and on the left hand side, this is my page, so you're going to see a lot more, but on the left hand side, scroll down until you see a purple tab, and it's called OneNote Class Notebook. You're going to click on that, and you will probably be asked to sign in with your student ID and of course your Clean ISD password, and it will automate you over to the notebook, which is where I'm going to go now. And you're going to see a few things: a welcome page, collaboration space, content library, and of course you're not going to see the teacher only. Welcome is just an introduction into Notebook. And then of course collaboration space is where we as a class can share work, edit each other's work, pull things out, this kind of thing. So when we use collaboration space, it will be when we're sharing stuff. Content library will be where you can find the quick writes and the materials that I will post for assignments, and you'll be able to view things from the content library. And usually I'll have the quick writes and any of the prompts or the assignments up on content library, but I will also push it through into your own folders, okay? So what your folder is going to look like on top of having welcome, collaboration space, and content library is you'll also see these 6 other folders. You're going to have a reading log, and in the reading log, we'll talk more about these, but I'm just quickly going to do an overview now. The reading log is where you'll be tracking your reading. So whatever books you're reading, you're jotting down those books. And when we meet, this is where we kind of come and look to see, okay, what kind of reading are you doing? How's that going? Reading reflections will be the place where you write kind of ideas and you're thinking about the reading that you're doing. Vocabulary is where you can start making a running record of words that you come across. Every time you come across a word you don't know, pop it in there and look it up and write it down. The process of writing something down actually helps you put it in your head that much more, okay? And we want to build our vocabularies as well. So interesting words, things we're learning new. There's always words I'm learning and looking up and posting into my vocabulary. Quick writes is where we will be today, and you'll see the prompt is what did you do this summer, and I'm going to come back to it and I'll do a little quick write with you, but that's what we're thinking about today, and we're going to be putting an entry in quick write. Mini lessons will be analyzing writer's craft, so you'll see things that we'll do, and when we read something, we'll analyze it and look at it and then try to emulate it as well as writers ourselves. And then writing drafts is where we'll be posting and working on our bigger creations where we get into the draft process and revising and editing, okay? So quick writes is where you want to head today. And you'll, like I said before, you'll see this prompt, what did you do this summer? And you'll click on it, and then you'll be able to start typing away your ideas. So what did I do this summer? I didn't get to go to Canada. Because of the quarantine. Oops. So I spent a lot of time at the lake, Stillhouse Hollow Lake. I would get up every morning, early every morning, because it gets too hot here, to beat the heat. And head out for a bike ride or a run towards Dana Peak. This was probably my most favorite thing to do each day. Yeah, probably the thing that the thing that I enjoyed most this summer was being able to just get out every morning and have some exercise. So after, when I finish writing, I might write a few more things, but I don't want to extend this video too long. I'm going to go through and edit and revise, and I can already see red underneath, so I can see that I've spelt morning wrong. So I'm going to correct that, but I'm going to read through and make sure that maybe there's something that I would want to alter or something. And we'll be doing more of these as we go through. Today's just kind of getting some words out on a page, okay? And then once you've done that, go back to your day 2 and hop on to Flipgrid and introduce yourselves. Please introduce yourselves with the names that you want to be called, because that's letting me learn the pronunciations and learning about you, and also other classmates get to learn about each other and you as well. You're basically going to go on, introduce yourself, and then you're going to tell us two things about you that are true and one thing that's not. And of course, you don't want to identify the thing that's not, because we're going to go on after each other and then respond to each other's Flipgrid response and identify which one is the lie. An example would be, "Hi, Michelle, I'm Oscar. I think what you said about having a monkey for a pet is the lie." Okay, so I will see you on OneNote through your writing, and I will see you on Flipgrid through your talking. So see you guys later. Have a great day.